Hi, this is Joel Ostrom from That Guy Woodco, and I'm working on these ends here on this elm slab. This end I've already planed. I started with a spoke shave, trying to fair this curve and get it to flow, and also to clean up any sanding marks from the belt sander. And I ended up having to go to a block plane to get all of the divots out of it. Here's the other end, and you can see I've already started on this end, but you can see here's a divot, and here is a divot, and here's a divot from the sanding unevenness in this. The rest of it's been planed. So what I have to do, take this Stanley block plane and work this end. You can see it's getting a little smaller there. See there, I just erased that one. So this is not only getting the edge smooth and beautiful, it's also making this curve more even.